So, I've been riding the HappyRun F18 2.0 for a bit now, and I'll be real with you, this thing surprised me. On paper, you're getting a 6,000 bore mid-drive motor, 60V battery, and a claimed top speed of around 46 mph. And honestly, it actually feels close to that when you open it up. The acceleration is the part that really stands out. It pulls hard, especially in the mid-range where most budgety motos usually feel a bit soft. The range is advertised at about 60 miles, and in mixed riding, I'd say that's optimistic. More like 35 to 50 miles depending on how aggressive you ride. Build quality is decent for the price. Full suspension helps a lot off-road, and the hydraulic brakes do their job, but don't expect premium motorcycle-level refinement here. It's still a budget-friendly machine. What I like most is the fun factor. It's not just about commuting. This thing feels like it wants to be pushed. But here's the truth. It's not perfect. It's heavy, charging takes a while, and long-term durability is still something you'll want to keep an eye on. So, is it worth your money in 2026? If you want raw power and fun per dollar, yeah. If you want perfection, look elsewhere.